Helicopters are known for their agility, but did you know some of them can reach jaw-dropping speeds?
From military attack choppers to advanced civilian models, speed varies dramatically. The Apache AH-64 can hit speeds of over 180 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest attack helicopters. The Eurocopter X-3 is a hybrid marvel, reaching a top speed of 293 miles per hour. Sikorsky's S-97 Raider pushes the limits further with incredible speed and agility. Here's a quick comparison of the fastest helicopters in the world, side by side.
Even tactical workhorses like the Black Hawk can reach 183 miles per hour, impressive for their size. Tilt rotors like the AW609 blend helicopter and airplane speed, offering unique performance. Even tactical workhorses like the Black Hawk can reach 183 miles an hour. Tilt rotors like the A8 breaking the 200 miles per hour mark is rare, but experimental designs are constantly pushing limits. Mi-28 Havoc combines speed with tactical maneuvering, making it deadly in combat zones. These helicopters prove that vertical flight doesn't mean slow flight. Speed and agility go hand in hand.
When it comes to speed and firepower, military helicopters are in a league of their own.
The AH-64 Apache can reach speeds of around 182 miles per hour.
The Russian Mi-24 Hind is both a gunship and a shore.
Both helicopters trade speed for armor, weapons, and survivability. The UH-60 Black Hawk may look bulky, but it still hits about 183 miles per hour. That speed allows it to quickly insert troops and escape hostile zones. The Mi-28 Havoc pushes close to 186 miles per hour in combat conditions.
At low altitude, every extra mile per hour can mean survival.
China's Z-10 attack helicopter reaches speeds around 168 miles per hour. Military helicopters balance speed, weapons, and protection. Pure speed is never the only goal. Flying fast at low altitude is one of the hardest skills a helicopter pilot can master. These machines prove that speed in helicopters is about tactics, not just numbers.
To break speed limits, engineers had to completely rethink how helicopters fly.
The Eurocopter X-3 shattered expectations, reaching an incredible 293 miles per hour. It uses side-mounted propellers to reduce rotor drag and boost forward speed. That makes the X-3 the fastest helicopter ever built.
Sikorsky's S-97 Raider takes a different approach with dual coaxial rotors. A rear pusher propeller helps it reach speeds over 250 miles per hour.
Despite its speed, the Raider keeps incredible agility.
These designs are known as compound helicopters, part helicopter, part airplane.
Tilt rotors like the Bell V-280 push speeds even higher, beyond traditional helicopters.
Experimental helicopters easily outperform traditional designs.
Every extra mile per hour requires years of testing and cutting-edge engineering. The future of helicopters isn't just vertical, it's incredibly fast.
If helicopters can fly fast, why don't they fly even faster?
The answer lies in aerodynamics and the physics of spinning rotors.
As speed increases, one rotor blade moves forward, the other moves backward.
At high speeds, the retreating blade can stall and lose lift. This causes dangerous vibration and loss of control.
Drag increases dramatically as helicopters push through the air. Engines must work harder, creating extreme stress and heat.
At extreme speeds, even tiny control inputs can be dangerous. Unlike jets, helicopters rely entirely on rotating wings. That's why engineers add wings and propellers to break speed barriers.
These innovations reduce rotor stress and allow higher speeds.
Helicopters aren't slow by choice. They're limited by physics.
Let's rank the fastest helicopters in the world, from fast to fastest.
Number 5. The Mi-24 Hind, reaching around 173 miles per hour.
Number 4. The Apache AH-64, clocking in at about 182 miles per hour. Number 3. The UH-60 Blackhawk, pushing close to 183 miles per hour.
Number 2, the Mi-28 Havoc, reaching nearly 186 miles per hour. But none of these are the fastest ever built.
Number 1, the Eurocopter X3, the fastest helicopter in history.
With a top speed of 293 miles per hour, it shattered all records.
Side propellers and wings reduce drag and push it beyond limits.
The gap between traditional helicopters and experimental designs is massive. And future helicopters may go even faster. This is how helicopters redefined speed in the skies.
The race for speed isn't over. The future of helicopters is about to break every limit.
Traditional helicopters are limited by rotor drag and retreating blade stall.
Compound helicopters use dual rotors and pusher propellers to fly faster than ever.
The Sikorsky X2 already crossed 290 miles per hour, almost airplane speed. Tilt rotors combine helicopter takeoff with airplane level speed.
Future military helicopters will fly farther, faster, and survive deadlier battlefields.
AI and automation will push pilots and machines beyond human limits.
Tomorrow's helicopters won't just chase jets, they'll challenge them. The fastest helicopter of the future, hasn't even been built yet.
Follow for more aviation secrets and extreme military technology.